Hello from Lordhair. Today I'm here to talk to you about our stock hair system, the ICON hairpiece. This is a really special hair system because it combines both strength with durability. It has single knotted hair on a fine welded mono base. So I'll now talk to you a little bit about the base. The base has hand-sewn alley and cross-stitching, which helps it maintain its shape and contour. This contour is a CC shape. It's also very strong, so strong that it doesn't tear, even with strong adhesive tape. The super fine welded mono isn't quite as soft as lace, but it is a lot more durable. So, the front hairline is undetectable due to the bleached knots right at the front. These also don't loosen easily because of the fine welded mono that they are adhered to. It looks exactly like hair is growing straight out of your own scalp. So the hair density is medium light with a soft wave, and the hair itself is 6 inches long. It comes in a wide variety of colours and has a standard base size of 8 by 10 inches. We do offer a base cutting and professional hair cutting service before shipment, so the product is ready to wear as soon as it arrives. As with all of our stock hair systems, the ICON stock could be with you in as little as 5 working days thanks to immediate shipment. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If this interests you, please feel free to find out more at www.lordhair.com or email us at support@lordhair.com. Alternatively, you can telephone us at +86 532 8082 8255.